In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to draw an autumn tree. First I'm starting out with a circle shape for the leaves and a straight line for the trunk. Then I'm doing the sticks in between. You have to know that it's an autumn tree, so it has less leaves, so more of the sticks are gonna be visible. I've done my base with the pencil, the sketch. Now I'm drawing some other details with a marker. Keep in mind that there are less leaves on this tree because they are falling down in the autumn. Finishing up some details, and I'm drawing leaves on the ground as well, and some other falling leaves to be authentic to the autumn weather. Drawing some other details, and I'm drawing the leaves chunkier in chunkier pieces. And now I'm going to do, first I'm going to erase the pencil sketch, and then I'm going to color it in. The colors here are very important, but I'm pretty sure you know that already. Depending on where you live, the colors can be more yellowish or more red, but it's up to your preference. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next time when I'm gonna be drawing a winter tree.